Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best micro sprinkler kits available in the market, the 226FT Greenhouse Micro Drip Irrigation Kit by PRUNkuar. If you're looking to upgrade your garden watering system, stay tuned because this might be exactly what you need. The PRUNkuar 226FT Greenhouse Micro Drip Irrigation Kit is designed to make watering your garden a breeze. Whether you have a greenhouse, a patio garden, or even a larger outdoor area, this kit promises to deliver efficient and customizable irrigation. It comes with everything you need: a mix of 1x4" and 1x2" tubing, various connectors including T's and plugs, adjustable nozzles, and even misting nozzles. You can tailor the water flow to meet the specific needs of different plants. Whether you need a gentle mist or targeted drip irrigation, this kit's adjustable nozzles have you covered. No digging or plumbing skills required. Simply cut the tubing to size, connect the fittings, and hook it up to your water source. It's designed to be user-friendly for gardeners of all skill levels. Beyond just garden beds, this kit is suitable for greenhouse cooling, patio misting, and even agricultural use. It's a versatile solution for various watering needs. Overall, the PRUNkuar 226FT Greenhouse Micro Drip Irrigation Kit is a fantastic choice. If you're looking to upgrade your garden watering system to something more efficient and manageable. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and gardening tips from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!